come through, come through, come through. Yo, boy got the best chicken and waffles in town. I'm trying to tell you. I have a super easy recipe for you to follow along so you can achieve this same level of greatness, guys. It's so easy and so delicious. Like I always say, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think. Let's get started. To begin, we are going to be using 4 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I have them nice and trimmed up just like so they could be kind of uniform for our chicken and waffle sliders. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, get them nice and mixed up. Next, we're gonna move on to our seasoning on the screen. I have a list of everything you're gonna be using to season up your chicken to perfection, guys. And you know how it goes. We is not stingy. We gonna let it go and let it fly, guys, and get these things seasoned up real nice. Do not be scared. Let it go, guys. Just like so, get them nice and mixed up. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and beat up 2 eggs and then drop that right up on the chicken. After that, we're gonna spill in about, I would say about a cup of buttermilk. You just wanna make sure your chicken are kinda covered up in that good old buttermilk. And then you should have a little bit of seasoning remaining as well. In a second, you're gonna see me toss that in too. You're gonna give that a nice little mix, get them all talking to each other, and you're gonna cover it with some, saran wrap, and then you're gonna toss it in the fridge for a couple of hours. If you could go overnight, even better, but you want these things to sit in that buttermilk and do their thing, guys. I'm trying to tell you. Once they're done being refrigerated, we're gonna move on to our seasoned up flour. On the screen here, I have a list of how to get your flour tasting oh so delicious. I'm gonna shake off the excess buttermilk mix off of this chicken thigh. Just toss it in the flour mix just like so and get it well coated up in that flour. And I'm gonna shake off the excess in a second, and I'm gonna drop it in that hot oil and get the party going. So these should cook for about 7 to 8 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. In a second, I'm gonna show you how they look once they come out and are fully cooked. Yours should be looking just like so, and if they ain't, please kindly send them back to the kitchen because I don't want it. If your chicken ain't looking crispy and golden brown like this, please send it back. Do yourself a favor, because don't nobody want it. But yeah, guys, this is how they should look, guys. Nice and golden brown, all crispy, looking so delicious, guys. My goodness. Moving on to the waffles. Yes, you can make your mix from scratch, but I wanted to keep it nice and simple, and I went with a waffle mix that I bought at the store. Still tastes super delicious, guys. Don't worry if you go this route. You want to go ahead and just follow the directions on the box, get them in your waffle maker, and let them do their thing. Just don't use no Eggos. That's all I got to say. At least go this route. No Eggos. You're going too far. If you try to put some Eggos on that chicken, I'm gonna have to come to your house and say something about that. I'm trying to tell you. But yes, your waffles should be looking like this once they're done. You want to go ahead and plate it up just like so. Get yourself some maple syrup in the middle. Don't get that regular cheap syrup. No, you need that good old expensive $10 a bottle maple syrup for these bad boys. I'm trying to tell you, yes, look how good they look, guys. Crispy, juicy, delicious chicken and waffle sliders, guys. Yo, chicken and waffles just hit different. It hits different. I'm trying to tell you, I don't know what about it, but you cannot go wrong. It's a classic. If you haven't tried chicken and waffles in your life yet, what are you doing in life? What is going on? Because we need to talk. We need to have a sit down and figure out what's going on. If you haven't had chicken and waffles yet, and if you have not, go ahead and follow this recipe. You will not regret it. You will enjoy it, because man, this is so good. Didn't last long at all, because me and my wife went through these bad boys like it was nothing. I'm trying to tell you, because they were so delicious, guys. Look at the drip on the screen. Let me hit you with that slow-mo. Look at that drip, guys. It's just something about it. Everything just complements each other. It's so delicious. And I want to give a shout out to all of our channel members. Can't forget about you guys. I really appreciate the support. It helps out a lot in getting things going with the channel. Our membership comes with a lot of cool perks. If you want to know more about them, hit that join button down below and you will find out all the details that you need to know about our membership program, guys. So I really enjoyed making this recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I enjoyed munching down because they were so good, guys. I will see you on the next video. Deuces, guys.